Welcome back, fellow creators. Are you ready to turn any image into a funny animated video? Today, we'll show you a simple step-by-step process to transform any image or drawing into a funny animated video. So grab your favorite image, choose your drawing, and let's get started.
First of all, OpenAI Animated Generator Free tool, this one. Then visit Animated Drawing. Now here we have to upload an image or our drawing. Like this. Then resize the size box. And click on Next. In this step, AI separated the character from the background. But here some of parts are now highlighted properly, so for this, we have to fix this by using this pencil and eraser. And when you are done with it, click on Next. Then here we have to adjust points. And click on Next. And this is the last step, choosing animation. There are many options available here. Choose anything which you like most. And to download this, zoom the video and then click on this 3 dot. And download this. So this is how you can create animated funny videos in just few minutes. Remember, the power of creativity is in your hands. So go ahead, have fun, and let your imagination run wild. I hope you enjoyed this video, so don't forget like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye, take care.